Winding a bobbin on the Kenmore 76. The bobbins for this are not widely available. They're smaller than a White Rotary bobbin, even though the bobbin case looks basically the same as a White Rotary case. But according to some sources on the internet, the L style, which this is a FAF plastic L, or Singer bobbins for the featherweight 221 and 301, which I've checked both and they both fit in here and seem to work. So you just have to pick one. Like with every bobbin selection, choose one style of bobbin and stick with it. Plastic, metal, whatever size you go with. So, per usual, run your thread through the thing here, and then the bobbin winding is this lever here. It pulls the winder tire motor down, and then this switch here, when the bobbin is full, it will shut the motor off. So, there we go. And that is how to wind a bobbin on this machine. Loading the bobbin case for the 76. See, the bobbin sets in there. It's got a hook on the side of the case here. So with the thread facing the back, the bobbin is winding counterclockwise. Goes under that finger, and then it goes around and gets tugged up behind the spring on the front of the case. Our bobbin case slips right in there, and then this piece just snaps across and is sprung in place and holds the bobbin case. To thread the 76, it's got a spool pin on top here, and then it has chrome tape to follow. So from the spool pin it goes under or into this pigtail, then it goes, lift the tensioner there, or lift the presser bar, and then it goes around the outside, and this does thread on the end of the machine there. So it goes around the tensioner, through the take-up spring on the tensioner, through the take-up arm. There's a thread guide on the end of the machine here, and thread guide on the needle bar. And I forgot to stick a needle in before I got started. So put our needle in. The flat goes on the right side, and then our needle will thread from the outside in, which is right to left.